Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on your location. I'm Mrs. Elushuku. This Miiracell has helped me a lot. It helped me. I have a cancer, and I started taking chemo. My first course of chemo, I was purging like mad. There is no control. Every 2 minutes, I will go to the toilet. Yes, I'll go to the toilet. Until I met this lady that gave me the Miiracell. I tested it, and it was working. On my third course, after the third course therapy chemo, by then I've started taking this Miiracell. Then the portion wasn't like that again. I was now defecating normal. I was not purging. I can only defecate only once a day. But the only thing I know is that the defecation is very, very dark. It shows it's cleaning up all the toxins in my body system. Then another sign I saw again is that my hand that was very dark, my face, was very dark. But by taking this Miiracell, all the black veins and black faces began to disappear. I couldn't find the dark stuff on my vein much again. In fact, it's no more there. And my face was brightening up. In fact, I thank God for showing me Miiracell. And I thank my husband that was buying it all the time. So, if you are opportune to see Miiracell, please take it. It will help you not only by chemo, but it washes off bad toxins on someone's body. Thank you so much.